Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah, and today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance about your next trip. It could be within your country, a small trip out of your country, or something really exciting. So, without any further ado, let me introduce you to the three piles we have for today's pick a card reading. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Pause the video if you would like to and pick a pile that you are most intuitively drawn towards. Once you have picked the pile, please go down to the description section below to receive your guidance. So all those who have selected pile number 1, let's begin with your guidance for your next trip. This pick a card reading will cover not only the area where you will go for your trip, like beauty and stuff, but also the guidance that you will receive and how is your trip going to be. So let's begin with your tarot cards. The first card we have is Nine of Wands, the Fool, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Wands. So with the tarot cards, I feel your next trip is going to be somewhere near the ocean. It could also be through a mountain or a valley, a place filled with mountains and oceans, where you would go when you are tired or you are really stressed after your work. You will go there to relax and enjoy yourself, and you will definitely come rejuvenated from there. This trip is going to set you free from your boundaries and from your stress and all the burden that you have been carrying. Along with it, this trip is going to bring you fresh set of excitement for your new day-to-day life. It will also bless you with motivation and confidence to work on anything in your life. This trip is going to be a combination of relaxation as well as fun. So it would be advised for you all to take your sneakers as well as fashionable shoes so that you can enjoy the trip and make the most of it. So let's see the oracle cards that we have for this trip. Leadership from Archangel Gabriel. Have confidence. Time to go. You have got the power. And get some exercise. So as I said, this trip is going to be definitely near the ocean and with mountains and flowers around it. You are going to enjoy this trip. You have to take the decision to take the trip, because until and unless you take the initiative, this trip is not going to happen. There would be moments when you would feel like running away, and at that time exactly is when you will take the next trip. Many of you might plan on going on a solo trip, is what I can see from the cards around. However, some of you might also experience some very peaceful moments over there and would gain some very beautiful insights about life and the next steps that you need to take. Exercising is also something that could happen through walking or hiking, is what I can see during the trip. Also, there is going to be a party that you will be attending and you need to take your best dress for the trip. This trip is going to be fun and exciting and adventurous and would take you away from the work pressure that you have been going through in a long time. That's it for today's pick a card reading. I hope you are resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. For personal readings and distance energy healing work, contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description section below. If you would like to give donations to the channels, links have been mentioned in the description section below. Thank you. So all those who have selected pile number 2, let's begin with your pick a card reading for your next trip. The first card we have is the Sun, the Magician, Nine of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. With the tarot cards over here, I don't think majority of you would be going on a trip anytime soon, at least not until the end of the year, because circumstances would not be such that you could go on a trip. You could be excited about the trip, you could plan a trip, however at the very last moment I feel the trip would get cancelled due to some or the other reasons. With the Sun card over here, I feel that though the trip would get cancelled, it is best to not be disappointed, because this could avoid a major accident or an incident that could have happened in the trip. The angels and the universe are guiding you to meditate and concentrate on your solar plexus chakra and work on it. Feel confident and happy about yourself and the way things are, and let go of trust issues and burdens and sorrows in your life, so that life would be more happy and magical for you. So let's see the messages from the oracle cards. We have acceptance. Again, see acceptance card. You need to accept if things don't go as per your plan. Do some research, be yourself, and the final card is career transition. So with the oracle cards, I feel that the universe is guiding you that you need to accept and listen to your intuition, accept if things don't go as per your plans. And also there is an important message that you need to do some research before you plan a trip or make bookings for your trip, because eventually if you do not get involved, the trip would definitely be cancelled. With the career transition card over here, I feel that majority of you would be planning a trip when there would be some changes in your work environment, or when you feel things are comfortable and good, but suddenly things would change in your work environment. With be yourself card over here, the universe and the angels are also asking you to be yourself and give your inputs if you are planning to go on a trip with your friends and family, because if you just say yes to all the things that others in the group would be saying, the trip would not be a success and you would eventually be left out in the trip. Also, if you go for the trip, I feel that the trip would bring you lots of burdens and would not be something that you would really enjoy, because there would be some or the other work that you would be getting from your offices, and you would feel that instead of going for the trip, I would have better be stayed at home and done my work. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. For distance energy healing and personal tarot cards reading, please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description section below. Also, if you would like to give gifts or donations, links have been mentioned in the description section below. Thank you. So all those who have selected pile number 3, let's begin with your reading. The first card we have is the Ace of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and the Wheel of Fortune. So all those who have selected this pile, I feel that majority of you would be going on a trip with your friends and family members, The trip would be somewhere near the mountains, and it would be a very fun and memorable trip. You not only would be enjoying with your friends, but you would also be getting some me time over there and some time to think and contemplate about your life. This trip would be a bit heavier on your purse, and the expenses would go out and be on the higher side, even though it has been planned in beforehand, even though the expenses have been planned beforehand. Also, I feel that this trip would be to a place that you would not have at the beginning agreed to, but some place that you would eventually enjoy, and you would plan on coming back to the same location again. This trip would also help you relieve your days with your friends that you have enjoyed previously, and would bring back old memories and excitement. Pay attention to your back and legs, because there could be some sort of injury that could happen, and the angels are asking you to pay special attention to your body while you travel to avoid additional expenditure. Let's see the messages from the oracle cards that we receive. Play, giving and receiving. Affirmations. Your desire is within your reach. And the final card we have is you are safe. So when you go on the trip, remember to enjoy yourself and have a better exchange of giving and receiving. Don't let your friends do everything, or don't you yourself do everything. Let there be balance between all the members of the group when you go on this trip. Also, that important message is you are safe. So if you are going on a trip, try to be safe, and you can also call Archangel Michael to help you be safe and secure, and not only help you but also your friends or family with whomever you are traveling, to enjoy this trip and return safely. The place where you would be going on a trip, there would be some nice night views that you could be enjoying, and also you would be able to see beautiful stars in the sky. It is going to be relaxing for majority of you, as well as fun and exciting, and there would be lots of moments where you would play some games and enjoy some time with your friends or family members. Also, there would be some pet animals over there, so you would also spend time watching and viewing them or playing with them. Remember to have some extra cash with you, so that when expenses pop up suddenly, you would have the resources to pay for it. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about the next videos that I upload. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for personal tarot card readings and distance energy healing work. Please contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the description section below. For gifts and donations also, links have been mentioned in the description section below. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.